Nova Click tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to use the Nova Click Telegram bot, which is a very good tool for trading meme coins in any platform. So in today's video, we will be utilizing BullX over here. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to install our Nova Click from their website. So installing it's very easy and it will prompt you to do two things. First things first, it's going to invite you to the Nova bot in Telegram and it's going to prompt you to install your Nova Click from your Google Chrome store. So what you're going to do first is you're going to ensure that you are able to join your Nova over here because at the start, as you can see, there will be a waiting list unless you have an access code. So you can look up any access code in the internet, and after receiving an access code, you will then be able to now utilize our Nova over here. So let me click or do /start over here. So there are different basic commands in Nova. So you can do / over here and you can see your different options that you could do. You can check out your referrals, your menu, settings, wallets, positions, snipers, copy trading, and orders over here. The basic things that we could do or we should do from the start is connecting our wallets, of course. So how do we trade if we don't connect our wallets? So simply click on wallets over here. So we could choose between different options over here. We could create wallets, import wallets, rename wallets, delete wallets, withdraw, so on and so forth. So to be able to connect our wallet, simply click on import wallet, give it a name. So let's say war, and simply enter the private key of the wallet. So you could get it from your BullX over here, from your wallet manager. When you first create your wallet over here, you could get it. And you're just simply basically going to copy and paste your private key. You could also connect different wallets such as Phantom and so on and so forth, as long as it's Solana or any relevant wallets that you want to use. And after that, you could just simply use its feature. We could do the extensions over here. We could click on Nova Click and we could enable it over here. And you will be able to select preset buy amounts over here, install, or preset sell amounts over here. So it's basically automation. We could also enable Nova panel over here, which a pop-up will appear. So let's open a random one over here just to sake or just for the sake of showing our settings. As you can see, this will appear. So this is our Nova panel. So you have presets over here. You have two different versions. So you could create presets such as buy and sell over here. And you could even check out our settings over here as well, such as buy fee, tip fee, slippage, and so on and so forth. For this one, so let's say we want to monitor the specific meme coin over here. So we're simply going to copy its code. And you can just simply copy and paste it directly into the messages of our section over here. Also, I'm connecting our wallet over here. So let me go back to start over here. So simply paste that over here and you will be able to now connect and monitor the specific meme coin over here. So you could see whether you're buying, you're selling, so on and so forth. You could also do the same settings over here. You could do multi-buy, you could do sniper over here. As you can see, depending on your settings, of course, just modify that. And we could also go back to our menu. So those are different tasks. And you could also set up some auto buy over here if you prefer. So there's a lot of configurations as things that you will be able to do with your Nova. So you could enable our auto buy over here, and then you can have some rules, of course. But we're going to have to set some rules of first over here. So you could set up your cap value and so on and so forth. There's a lot of automation and very useful tool that you could do with Nova. So that's basically how you will be able to do or how you will be able to use Nova as beginners. Of course, it depends on how you will utilize it, of course. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.